Hello friends, welcome to Rubik's Technique. Today there is a tutorial video about gear cube. Its shape is a little bit weird, but it's not difficult to solve. So let's proceed. As you can see, this gear cube has gears. And when we move the upper layer, the middle layer also rotates. With the middle layer, the edge pieces also move and they flip like this. You can see because of the gear of the corners, like you can see, and the edge pieces. And when you rotate it once, so this move is called as rotating once, and this is an invalid move. So you can see these are matching, the corner pieces are matching, but the edges are in the means between. So here there should be a centerpiece, as you can see. So while solving this gear cube, there will be only one algorithm. Yeah, I'm not joking, but there only one algorithm. So you have to remember, and this will be also very easy. So now let's proceed. While solving the gear cube, we'll solve this cube in 3 easy steps. First step is to make all corner pieces in this cube, and the second step we have to match all the center pieces, which is not a big deal, and the third step we have to match the edges and orient them correctly. First we'll make the corner pieces. We'll select one corner piece which is white, blue and the orange piece. So we'll find the corresponding piece to its left side or the right side. I'll tell you the both sides. So first we have to see which piece is to be inserted here. We'll take this down. After that we'll take any of the layer down and see whether which piece gets matched. So I have to see whether which side color gets matched. So this is the white, orange and blue color, and this is the white, red and the blue color. So these two are opposite pieces. Now only one color is opposite between them. So now you have to see whether which side color matches. Now the left side color matches. So you have to rotate it to left side, and afterwards you have to rotate the left layer. So it gets matched. Now to see for the right side. So the right side color gets matched. As you can see, the white, orange and blue, and white, orange and green. So now it's already done. This pair is inserted, so this is already done. So there is no need to do like this. So now two also get inserted. Now we have to match the corner pieces down there. So here it is. The corners are also not matched and the center pieces are also not matched. So you have to keep rotating till they get matched. So now they get matched. So now there's time of edge pieces. Now for solving edge pieces, you have to see whether which pieces are getting matched. Or there are 3 cases while matching the edge pieces. So the first step is you have to swap these 2 pieces, only these 2. And the second case is this layer is done. This piece is to be sent at the back and these 2 pieces are to be swapped. Don't get confused. While solving, you will understand it. And the third case is no pieces are done, as you can see. Now in this case, you have to swap these 2 pieces. For this, you have to apply the algorithm to rotate this layer once, twice, so second time. Now rotate the upper layer and again rotate it 2 times. After that again rotate the upper layer. So now these 2 pieces got swapped. Now there is time to swap, and now there are no pieces to be swapped, as you can see. So now this layer is done, but there are no pieces to be swapped. I mean, these 2 pieces, there is no need to swap. And now this piece is not to be sent at the back. So now in this case, you have to apply the algorithm here once. And if it does not get correct, so you have to rotate this cube like here and again apply the algorithm. So in this case, mine gets solved, but sometimes you have to twist the edge pieces. So as you can see, this was the case. In this, we have to twist the edge pieces. So in this case, you have to see whether which pieces are done. So this layer is done, and these layers are to be flipped, as you can see. Now which color is in the upper layer, you have to see whether this is the orange color and the edge piece has the blue and orange color. So at which side is the orange color? At the right side. So we'll rotate the right layer upwards till it gets solved. And now in this case here it is also orange. You can see when we rotate this right layer, or when we rotate the right layer upwards and the left layer downwards, it doesn't matter. Now I will tell you the third case. Now this is the third case in which you can see these two pieces, this layer is done. As you can see, these pieces are done and these pieces are done. And yeah, this is a speciality of gear cube in which when you solve these two pieces also get solved automatically. This was a tip. Now it's not the fourth case, but I will tell you a tip about this cube. Now as you can see, there is no piece matched in this cube. As you can see, white and red, orange and yellow, yellow and red, orange and yellow, orange and yellow. As you can see, no pieces are matched. In this case, you have to see whether which two pieces are to be swapped. So in this case, these two pieces are to be swapped. So you have to apply the algorithm keeping at the upper layer. As you can see, it gets stuck sometimes. Now you get the first case. As you can see, now these two pieces are to be swapped. So we'll apply the algorithm like here and again here. As you can see, now we just need to flip the edge pieces side and keep rotating till it gets solved. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to get these cubing videos. Thank you for watching.